Hello and welcome to another exclusive and official Harryhausen unboxing. This time it's Pegasus from Clash of the Titans. Now, to get a full history on the background of Pegasus, the animation and the production process, check out the original Pegasus video from Star Race Toys in this Harryhausen playlist. Right, let's get unboxing. Now this is a magnificent polyresin statue and diorama base. Designed by Christopher Nico from Rain Studio, who worked on the box design to give a classic, elegant and exclusive feel. So black, white and silver are dominant colours in the packaging design. Christopher made the logo with gold and Greek style font. He said it was very important for collectors that they get a full image of Pegasus with the powerful and elegant spread wings in the half jump pose to know the difference between that and the previous design. Inside, protected well with foam packaging and Velcro straps on each side. Inside then the pieces reveal themselves. We have two wing segments here, buffeted by some foam cushions. The footplate, will come to that shortly. Aha, something special, some electronics. Here's the main body of the beast of Pegasus, the winged gift of the gods, which could be a gift to you. Out comes the main body here and a little friend accompanying Bubo the Owl, who accompanies Pegasus. Now the base beneath here, wonderful sculpt this, in black charred charcoal base. Now Pegasus, a beautiful sculpt here from the Kaibatsuya Studios, incredible detailing. The hooves here on the back have pegs that slot nicely and confidently into the base here. The tail follows suit with registration pegs here at the top and the tail. Next up, the wings. These are beautifully designed. Look at the feathers on those. Completely polyresin with a metal staff that sits proudly there on the back of Pegasus, fits in firmly. And then the next one on the left side, easy to pop straight in there, and that's it, you're ready to go. There is Pegasus taking flight, an amazing pose, very dramatic, evocative of the film, particularly in the final of the film with the Lord of the Marsh. The detailing here on the feathers is absolutely exquisite. Star Race Toys always raise the bar with these wonderful releases. Pegasus here, a favourite from Clash of the Titans. As always, it comes with instructions, as one might expect. Our friend Bubo the Golden Owl, the gift of the gods, to accompany Perseus on his quest, helps of course Pegasus at the end of the film when he's captured by the Lord of the Marsh. Now, a USB and a jack. This can be connected to electricity or to a power pack, and when you do plug in, you're in for quite a surprise. Look at that, an LED flow within the charcoal footplate, running different colours. Now if we see that as well, with the lights dimmed, you'll get quite a better impression of it. Look at that, how dramatic. It nicely lights Bubo and his golden wings. A magnificent piece to have on display amongst your Harryhausen collection. I defy anyone to say that this isn't one of the best releases from Star Race Toys. Pegasus, polyresin statue, polyresin base and Bubo the Owl. So there you have it, Pegasus in flight with the wonderful box design. All it needs now is for our epic on-screen comparisons. Let's go! How epic! Now, remember to check out the other Clash of the Titans creatures in the Harryhausen playlist here, including of course the original Pegasus video. Now, if you'd like to win your very own polyresin Pegasus with LED base and mini golden bubo, then simply subscribe to my channel here and comment below the video and you're in with a chance. Good luck, and we'll see you next time.